on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Badam Katli. I'm using superfine almond flour 2 cup, 1 cup sugar. If you don't have almond flour, you can use almonds and you can soak them overnight, or you can put it in microwave for 5 minutes. Once you peel the skin, then put it in grinder, you can make a mixture that way. If you have almond flour, that would be perfect and easy to make. 2 tablespoons milk, and I just warmed the milk, and I'm going to use the saffron. And saffron, the reason I'm going to use is going to give us a nice color, our Badam Katli. Get a little warm milk, and as you see, it start giving us a nice color. So we're going to let it soak until the time we're cooking our Badam Katli. And then 2 tablespoons desi ghee, which is clarified butter. So let's get started. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to bring 2 tablespoons desi ghee, and we'll bring almond flour. Mix them all, and now it's really important. We're going to keep moving so that our flour don't get burned. Once it's going to change a little color, it will get cooked. Then we'll bring sugar. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and on medium gas we're going to cook it. It's really important to cook it on medium gas, otherwise it will burn real quick. The almond flour we are cooking for 3 minutes. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to bring sugar. At the same time, we're going to bring the saffron milk. This is very beautiful color. And now we're going to mix it. Keep mixing, and we're going to keep cooking. Once it's nicely combined, and if you see, once I roll it, sticking together, that's what we need. Cooking for additional 2 minutes. If you notice that it start to become like a ball, it's all ready. And I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my plate ready, and I'll take it out in plate so it can cool down. This is perfectly done. I laid out the parchment paper on a countertop. This is hot. You take it out, you put it on a parchment paper, and we're going to roll out. Get some desi ghee, and we're going to put it on the rolling pin. The whole reason we're doing it, when we're going to roll out, it won't stick to the burfi. We're going to roll out. And when we're going to roll out, we're going to make sure that we make nice thin layer. The whole reason we're doing, because the katli is really thin, sweet. So we're going to roll out just like this. And you see, it's a nicely thin layer. And now we're going to wait until it cools down. We waited for half an hour, and it's nicely formed. And I'm going to cut it. You can use a knife, you can cut it, but I'm going to use pizza cutter. So I'm just going to make sure just to run through. If we look at the piece itself, it's nicely cut through. So I'm going to make this size of pieces. I'm done cutting on this side. So I'm going to finish up cutting. I have my plate ready. I'm done with the cutting the katli. Look at this piece, very nice. And if you look at this, the big chunks, and look at the saffron, so good. So I'm going to take out all the pieces on a plate. Our tasty and delicious Badam Katli almond burfi is all ready, and it's very tasty and very nutritious. Please let me know in the comment how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.